How to change avatar on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Facebook, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, then in this avatar section tap on edit, and you can change or choose from whether you want to edit poses or appearance. If you want to totally change your appearance, select appearance, and then from here you can choose outfits, hair, makeup, face, body, and everything. After you have done editing, simply save it and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.